This is Anna from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be looking at a grade 7 Natural Sciences Matter and Materials question taken from the Herzia Middle School June 2016 exam paper. So let's dive straight in. The question reads, in which step of the scientific method would a scientist make use of graphs? And the options given are A. Asking questions, B. Communicating results, C. Making a hypothesis, and D. Analyzing data. Okay, so let's have a look at these different options given before we actually get down to answering the specific question. So in answering questions, this is the part of the scientific method of an experiment in which a scientist is trying to gather data. Okay, communicating results is done after all the data has been gathered and analyzed and results are found, and then now the communication of the results. What did you find? Therefore, what does it mean? All of that. Making a hypothesis is the first part, or the first stage rather, of the scientific method in which an assumption is made and has to be tested by asking questions, for instance, to get data to analyze and communicate results. So therefore, when you're making use of graphs, actually this is the part when you're analyzing data. So D is the answer to our question. Graphs are good for data analysis. When you plot on the graph and see what relationship what has with what and so forth. So that's that for question 1.3 of this exam paper. But before I go, allow me to send a quick shout out to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them and more about us in the description below. You can also head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Now, if you can't find the answer to your question, get this, you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. So until the next time, stay epic.